Hi, my name is Nilesh. I came right from Pacific Islands, island called Fiji Islands, quite far from India, where I have come with a lot of hopes. Actually, my history of medical was very complex. I had multiple surgeries back in Fiji Islands. I have a young family, so I have thought of coming to India with a lot of hope, and I had done a lot of research. Now I have gathered information. I received a lot of recommendations from here and there. I have inquired about 6-7 hospitals in India, especially in New Delhi. So I have managed to get profile of Mr. Randeep, who I have selected and have thought that after seeing the profile, I can gauge that he is the right person who can fix my complex case. So after coming here, I had explained him all what I have gone through, and now Mr. Randeep has assured me that with his best team, he will try to fix me and fix my problem for good. So I would like to share my experience that at Manipal, here at Dwarka, I went through a very good medical experience with a set of all professional doctors and even all the ground staff with very professional service they have provided me. And after 10 days, I can assure you I'm fit. My surgery wounds have all healed down, and I'm confident that I'll be able to return back to my island nation and be sure that I'm fixed, I'm all cured. And so this is my experience, and I'd like to thank Mr. Randeep and his team. And I recommend back in Fiji, I'll recommend as many of my friends and all my colleagues. I come from a lot of I know a lot of professional business people I work. So even with the government, I'll try to recommend the service of Manipal and the doctors, so a lot of lives can be saved and people can get quality medical service. So thank you so much. I thank everyone, especially Dr. Randeep, for treating me and giving me best of his service. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh. So Nilesh had, like he explained, he had come from Fiji Islands and he had multiple surgeries on his abdomen, which included 4 surgeries, appendectomy, then incisional hernia repair for appendectomy, then a midline laparotomy, which is opening up the abdomen, then again another repair. So he had 4 surgeries, and after that he developed multiple hernias, and they were bothering him, they were troubling him because there were intestines as contents. We of course did a abdominal wall reconstruction for him. This was an open surgery with posterior component separation with a bilateral transversus abdominis release, and after an extensive adhesiolysis that we had to do, and we put in a large mesh. This was done nearly 10 days back. Today he's come to us. He's got all his stitches removed. His wound looks fine. He looks fine. We wish him all the best. He is taking a flight out of Delhi back to Fiji, but we assure him we are just a phone call away, and we wish him all the best in the future. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.